as you can see, this is the lock. One side will fit in this side, so I have to put it in this side. It does not unlock the lock at all. Very nice heavy duty lock, but the product, as far as the key and the lock inside, does not work. I'm going to do it again. And I'm going to try the other key. Still not unlocking. Brand new, it's not working.
So with this, it's pretty inconvenient with it being so small, but I always have to get my hands a little dirty. I guess that's fine with a bike though. There we go. Whoop. Now it's off. And the holder is right here. Put on there.